Hi, my name is Morgan Hatfield. I am a manufacturing engineer here at Siemens Energy, and I'm also a Professor DD for Dream It, Do It. My job here at Siemens Energy is basically problem solving. So every day we come in, we solve different problems. One technique we use to solve problems is called the 5 why process, where you have a problem and you ask why 5 times to figure out what the real problem is. For example, if your car isn't going straight, why? Because the wheels are turning. Why? Because they're not taped on well. Why? Because the tape is bad. So you need to retape the wheels so that they go straight. That's just an example of how you can use the 5 why process in your car building. So if you have a problem, don't give up. Just try and solve the problem using the 5 why process and you'll be on your way.
Once you get your car where you think you're ready, we take it to a track and you shake it down. You start learning it and you start seeing what happens with a reaction of what the car does. People don't normally go out and run 500 miles an hour, right off the get-go. They go out and they test the car. You go out with a brand new car, you go out with something you've never done, you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know how it's going to turn. You don't know how it's going to drive.
Take it out once you've got it built and test drive it. Test the brakes. Check the steering. Adjust the steering is by the tension on this nut. Make sure that the seating is correct for you. Foot pegs are in a good position so you're comfortable. Know your car. Know your car. Know your car.